F0F1 ATP synthase is an enzyme complex found in the membranes of mitochondria, in eukaryotic cells, and in the membranes of bacteria and chloroplasts. It plays a central role in the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy carrier in cells. This process occurs through a process called chemiosmosis, which is crucial for cellular energy production during oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria and photophosphorylation in chloroplasts. The enzyme complex is made up of two main parts. F0, the membrane-bound portion of the ATP synthase complex. F1, the catalytic portion, which is located in the mitochondrial matrix or in the cytoplasm, depending on the organism. Mechanism of working. The process of ATP synthesis by the F0F1 ATP synthase complex is based on the flow of protons, H ions, across the membrane, which generates a proton gradient. Here's a step-by-step explanation. Proton gradient generation. During cellular respiration or photosynthesis in plants, a proton gradient is created across the membrane, mitochondrial inner membrane or thylakoid membrane in chloroplasts. This gradient is established by the electron transport chain, which pumps protons from the matrix or stroma into the intermembrane space or thylakoid space. Flow of protons through F0. The F0 portion of ATP synthase forms a channel that allows protons to flow back through the membrane, down their electrochemical gradient, from high concentration to low concentration. This flow of protons through F0 is what drives the rotational movement of a part of the F0 complex, specifically the C-ring. Rotation of F0 and conformational changes in F1. As protons flow through F0, the C-ring rotates, which leads to a conformational change in the F1 portion of the enzyme. F1 consists of a central stalk, gamma subunit, and three catalytic sites on the alpha and beta subunits. The rotational energy from F0 causes the gamma subunit to rotate, which in turn induces conformational changes in the beta subunits. ATP synthesis in F1. The conformational changes in the beta subunits of F1 allow ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and inorganic phosphate, PI, to bind at one of the catalytic sites. As the enzyme rotates, the substrate binding site undergoes further conformational changes, catalyzing the formation of ATP from ADP and PI. Each full rotation of the gamma subunit in F1 leads to the synthesis of one molecule of ATP. ATP release. Once ATP is synthesized, it is released into the mitochondrial matrix or the cytoplasm, depending on the location of ATP synthase, where it is available for cellular processes requiring energy.